Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a bracket order on Tradovate. So first of all, you need to log in into your Tradovate account. Then you need to simply launch that particular chart of that particular future contracts that you want to trade. So after selecting your chart over here, you are going to see this type of ATM section. So first of all, you need to click on the gear icon right next to it. Then you need to simply select the option of on. Now over here, you need to simply choose your take profit and the stop loss level. You can just simply define both the levels using the ticks, the pricing and the currency. So over here, you can also give the ATM name. Then you just have to select whether you want to make changes into it with the help of ticks, price and value. I recommend you to go with the ticks. Then you need to just simply provide the values over here. For example, you can just simply set a 20 tick stop loss and a 40 tick take profit. You can also create a separate configurations for the different trading setups and the contracts that you have. So once you are done with it, simply click on the option of save, and here as you can see, the test or the name that you have basically set for your ATM is going to be available here. So now when you place any kind of order, so for example, let's say I'm going to place the buy order over here at the market price, you are going to see that the take profit and the stop losses are placed automatically. So that's how you can basically do it. So if this video helped you understand this, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.